Hello guys, I use my phone Nokia 1.3, this version 1GB RAM memory and 16GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Look completion. Device in the black color. In completion papers. Adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all completion. Without headphones. Without protective back cover. Okay. Plastic on the back side, camera LED and speaker. On the front side 5.7-inch display, front camera. Left side smart key. Right side power key and volume keys. Upside headphones jack, downside micro USB and microphone. Okay. Open back cover. Oops. Face problem. Yeah. Open the cover. Under the cover we have battery 3000 mAh, nano SIM card slot, micro SIM card slot, and micro SD card slot. Okay, turn on back cover. Android 10. Resolution HD, IPS display. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score 50,000. Okay. And open GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Game works good, without lags and glitches. We have CPU Qualcomm 215, this is octa-core processor, CPU speed 1.3 GHz, GPU Adreno 308, 1GB RAM memory and 16GB internal memory. Okay, close GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works perfect. And now open camera. Main camera 8 megapixels, front camera 5 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.